Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a clickable link to TikTok bio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Many people make the mistake of just pasting their link in their bio and it never becomes clickable. I'll show you the correct way so every visitor can actually tap on it. First, open your TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on Add Bio if you haven't already and paste the link to your shop, website, or YouTube channel. The problem here is that while the link is visible, it's not clickable. Someone trying to tap or copy it won't be able to access it. Instead, tap the Edit button on the right side of your profile screen and you will be on this page. Here, tap Links. But remember, with the new update, TikTok has changed their requirements. Now you need at least 1,000 followers on the account to add or link your social handles. Once you tap on links, then TikTok will allow you to add a YouTube channel or Instagram account link that will actually be clickable. For example, tap Add next to YouTube, then follow the prompts to log into the Google account connected to your channel. Once done, the link will appear on your profile as clickable. Now, any visitor who taps this link will be taken directly to your YouTube channel or Instagram profile. And that's it. So that is how you can add a clickable link to TikTok bio. So that's all for this video. Thanks.